I make $450 every single month from 3 AI chatbots. And the best part? I spend about 1 hour total per month maintaining all 3 of them. That's $450 for 1 hour of work. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built these chatbots, how I found my 3 clients, how I got them to pay me $150 a month each, and how you can build your first one this weekend and land your first paying client next week. Let's get into it. Here's what most people don't understand about AI chatbots. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to write code. You don't even need to understand how AI really works. All you need is a free tool called ManyChat and about 4 hours to build your first chatbot. That's it. And once it's built, it runs automatically, 24/7, answering customer questions while you sleep, while you work, while you're doing literally anything else. And businesses are desperate for this right now. Let me show you my 3 clients and what their chatbots actually do. Client number 1, a local hair salon called Bella's Beauty Bar. They pay me $150 a month. Here's what their chatbot does. When someone messages their Facebook page, the chatbot instantly responds. It answers questions like, what services do you offer? How much is a haircut? What are your hours? Can I book an appointment? The chatbot has all the answers programmed in. And if someone wants to book, it sends them a link to the salon's online booking system. Before I built this chatbot, the salon owner, Maria, was answering these same questions 50 times a week, manually, on her phone, at night, on weekends, while she was with clients. It was exhausting. Now, the chatbot handles it. Maria told me she saves at least 5 hours a week. And she's capturing more bookings because people get instant responses instead of waiting hours for her to reply. That's why she happily pays me $150 a month. It's worth way more than that to her. Client number 2, a local gym called Iron Core Fitness. Same deal, $150 a month. Their chatbot answers questions about membership pricing, class schedules, personal training options, and gym hours. It also collects leads. When someone asks about joining, the chatbot says, great, can I get your name, email, and phone number so our team can reach out with a special offer? Then it sends that info directly to the gym owner, Jake. Before the chatbot, people would message the gym's Instagram or Facebook, not get a reply for hours, and then go join a different gym. Now, instant response, more leads, more signups. Jake told me the chatbot paid for itself in the first week because it helped him close 2 new memberships he would have lost otherwise. And he doesn't have to do anything. The bot just works. Client number 3, a coffee shop called Morning Brew Cafe, $150 a month. This one's even simpler. The chatbot answers questions about the menu, daily specials, location, and hours. It also takes catering orders. If someone asks about catering for an event, the chatbot collects their details, asks how many people, what date, and what kind of event. Then it sends all that info to the owner, Sarah. She follows up with a quote. Before the chatbot, Sarah was missing catering opportunities because she couldn't respond to messages fast enough. People would message, not get a reply, and book with another cafe. Now she's landing 3 to 5 catering gigs a month that she wasn't getting before. That's hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars in extra revenue. So yeah, $150 a month for the chatbot? She considers it a steal. Okay, so that's $450 a month total from 3 chatbots. Now let me show you exactly how to build your first one. I'm going to walk through this step by step so you can literally follow along and have a working chatbot by the end of this video. Step 1. Pick a type of business to build for. Don't just pick randomly. Think about businesses that get the same questions over and over. Hair salons, gyms, coffee shops, real estate agents, plumbers, dentists, yoga studios, literally any service-based business. For this example, let's say you're building a chatbot for a yoga studio. Step 2. Go to ManyChat.com and sign up for a free account. You don't need the paid version to start. The free version works perfectly fine for your first few clients. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Don't get overwhelmed. It looks complicated at first, but it's actually really simple once you understand the basics. Step 3. Create a new flow. A flow is just a series of messages and responses. Click Create Flow and name it something like Yoga Studio Assistant. Now, here's how it works. You start with a welcome message. This is what the chatbot says when someone first messages the business. Keep it friendly and helpful. Something like, "Hi, thanks for reaching out to Serenity Yoga Studio. I'm here to help. What can I help you with today?" Then, you add buttons below the message. Each button is a question the customer might ask. Button 1, class schedule. Button 2, pricing and memberships. Button 3, first-time visit info. Button 4, contact us. When someone clicks a button, the chatbot responds with the answer. For example, if they click class schedule, the chatbot says, "We offer yoga classes Monday through Saturday at 6 a.m., 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 6 p.m. Sundays we have one class at 10 a.m. Would you like to book a spot?" Then you add another button that says, "Yes, book a class," and it sends them a link to the studio's booking page. You're literally just connecting questions to answers using drag and drop. It's like building with Lego blocks. Step 4. Test your chatbot. ManyChat has a preview feature. Click Preview, and it shows you exactly how the conversation will look on Facebook Messenger. Go through it yourself. Click every button. Make sure all the answers are correct. Fix anything that doesn't make sense. This step is important because you want it to be perfect before you show it to a potential client. Step 5. Connect it to a Facebook page. If you're building this for a real client, they'll give you access to their business Facebook page. If you're just practicing, you can connect it to your own page or a test page. In ManyChat, go to Settings, click Connect to Facebook, and follow the prompts. It takes about 2 minutes. Once it's connected, the chatbot is live. Anyone who messages that Facebook page will get an instant response from your bot. Now here's the part most people struggle with. How do you actually find a client and get them to pay you $150 a month? Let me give you the exact process I used. Step 1. Make a list of 10 local businesses in your area that fit the profile. Hair salons, gyms, coffee shops, real estate agents, whatever. Step 2. Check their Facebook or Instagram pages. Look at their messages. Do they respond quickly? Or do they take hours or even days to reply? If they're slow to respond, that's your opportunity. Step 3. Send them a direct message. Keep it short and helpful. Here's the exact message I use. "Hi, I noticed you don't always respond to messages right away. I help small businesses like yours set up AI chatbots that answer customer questions instantly, 24/7. It saves you about 5 hours a week and helps you capture more leads and bookings. Would you be interested in seeing how it works?" That's it. No sales pitch. No pressure. Just a simple offer to help. Most people won't respond. That's normal. Out of 10 messages, you'll probably get 2 or 3 replies. Out of those, 1 will be interested. When they reply, offer to show them a demo. Use the chatbot you already built as practice. Walk them through it on a video call or in person. Show them how it answers questions instantly. Show them how it collects leads. Show them how it saves them time. Then talk about pricing. Here's what I say. The setup fee is free for your first month. After that, it's $150 a month, and you can cancel anytime if it's not working for you. Most businesses say yes because there's no risk. And once they see it working, they never cancel. Why would they? It's saving them hours every week and making them more money. So let me recap. 3 chatbots, $450 a month, 1 hour of maintenance total. Client 1, hair salon. Client 2, gym. Client 3, coffee shop. Each one pays $150 a month. You build a chatbot once using ManyChat. It takes about 4 hours. Then it runs automatically. You spend maybe 20 minutes a month per client checking in and making small updates. That's it. And the best part? This scales. If you get 6 clients, that's $900 a month. 10 clients? $1,500 a month. All from chatbots that run on autopilot. So here's what I want you to do. Go to ManyChat.com right now and sign up for a free account. Spend 1 hour today building a simple demo chatbot. Pick a business type. Write out 5 common questions customers ask. Build the flow. Test it. Then tomorrow, reach out to 1 local business. Just 1. Show them what you built. See what happens. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need 10 clients. You just need 1 to start. So which type of business are you going to build a chatbot for? Hair salon? Gym? Coffee shop? real estate? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video showed you a real way to make recurring income with AI, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money AI, because next week I'm showing you exactly how to scale from 3 clients to 10 clients and turn this into $1,500 a month. You don't want to miss that. Let's build this together. See you in the next one.